Are you looking for how to fix call ended problem on Android 2022? Many Android users face issues like me when trying to reach someone on call from their device. It keeps showing call ended. They say they have a balance on their SIM card, but it still shows call ended and the call gets cut automatically. Before we start, please check some important notes. First of all, check whether the network is there on your phone, and then you check whether the number you have entered is correct or incorrect. After that, open your dialer, enter #31#. Once you disable your ongoing caller ID server, now restart your device. Although these are so common, often they can cause problems. Now to follow the advanced troubleshooting process. Open call apps, tap 3 dot, tap setting, scroll down, tap call account. Tap advanced settings, scroll down to call, bearing tap on there. Choose your SIM card that you are having issues with. Now check all the setting. If you see any of your setting is turned on from here, make sure to turn off all the setting. After that, check your problem. If you still have the same issues, you need to follow 2 more settings. First of all, I recommend you use your other SIM card to make the call. And lastly, there is a quick note for you. If the dialer blocks your number from their device or if they mark your number as a spam call, you will not be able to call them. In that case, you need to tell them to either unlock you or unlist you from the spam call list on their device. So guys, these are how you can fix call ended issues on your Android device. So guys, if you still have questions about this, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.